any two cycle can generate the permutation group S3. And I took x equal to 2 cycle 1 2 and y equal to 2 cycle 2 3. And I have seen also S3 generated by xy with the condition x square equal to y square equal to xy whole cube equal to identity. And today I will do a nice example. A group G is generated by AB with condition A square equal to B cube equal to identity and AB equal to B square. Then what will be the element of G? G equal to identity A. Since A square equal to E, that means only EA, then B square. Since B cube equal to identity, then by closure property AB and AB square. Is there exist other element? It can be B square A also, but B square A by this condition it is equal to AB. Okay? And BA also, but BA equal to A square B. By using this condition, check it. Then that means this group contains only these elements. So, what will be the order of the group? The order of the group will be 6. And this group is non-abelian because here the condition AB equal to B square A. That means which groups will satisfy this property? This is nothing. This is also the permutation group S3, which is here 2 cycle generates S3 and here 1 cycle and other 3 cycle generates the group S3. What are the subgroup? Let's call S1. S1 contains the element EA. Since A square equal to identity, therefore order of the generator of A is 2. So this is the cyclic group with generator A. Then other is 2. E, B, B square. And both S and S2 are cyclic subgroup. S1 generated by A and S2 is generated by B. Other subgroup is S3. And S3 contains the element EAB. Is it group? What will be AB square? AB square will be AB times AB. And by this condition, AB equal to B square A. This is equal to B square A times AB. This is B square A square times B. Since here the given condition A square equal to identity, that means this is B cube. And also the given condition B cube equal to identity, that means AB whole square equal to identity. Okay? So, AB also the element of order 2. That means this is also cyclic subgroup of this group. Okay? Other subgroup is S4, which contains the elements EAB square. Is it group? What will be AB square times AB square? The value will be A times AB times B square, which is equal to E by this condition. That means this is also subgroup of order 2. That means this is the group of S3. This is 2 cycle, this is 3 cycle. That means this group has 4 cyclic subgroup: H1, H2, H3, H4 are cyclic subgroup, and there exists other subgroup which is trivial group E and S3 group own self. Okay, are you getting? Well, the permutation group Sn is generated by 1, 2 and 1, 2 up to n cycle. That means Sn is generated by 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 up to n. That means if you give me one transposition and other n-plane cycle, then I will generate the whole group Sn. And the permutation group Sn generated by n minus 1 transposition. That means Sn is generated by 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 up to 1n. So, there exists a nice fact. The smallest subgroup which is generated by 2 cycle is nothing, is Sn. And this is very interesting fact. As for example, I have seen Sn is generated, S3 is generated by the cycle 1, 2 and 1, 3. Because I have seen the permutation group generated by n minus 1 transposition. Also I have seen Sn is generated by 1 transposition and other n-plane cycle. So S3 also generated by 1, 2 and the cycle 1, 2, 3. Okay? And in n, for n greater than equal to 3, every permutation is product of 3 cycle. That means an can be generated by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5 up to 1, 2, n. So, if you give me any 3 cycle, then I can generate the n group. So, this is also nice fact. The smallest subgroup which is generated by 3 cycle, this is nothing, this is an. Okay? Now I will discuss the different topic, the normal subgroup. Last time we have seen for any subgroup A is the left coset of A is partition G. Second, the right coset of A is partition G. Third, this partition need not be same. Look this picture. Here G1A is equal to HG1, A is equal to H, but notice G2A is this, and here A is G2. Here in this picture G2A is not same A is G2. So right coset and left coset cannot always same. Okay? And there exists a different type subgroup. This is the normal subgroup. What is normal subgroup? If G is a group, a subgroup H is called normal subgroup if all its left coset and right coset are equal. That means GA is equal to HG, where for all G in the group G, and it is denoted as A is as triangle G. This symbol is as like triangle, or A is triangle equality G. If you notice this symbol, that means A is a subgroup of G. Okay? Well, now I will notice different type of subgroup, conjugate subgroup. Let H be any subgroup of G. Then X be an fixed element of the group G. Then X is X inverse equal to set of all element X is X inverse, such that Ace be the member of Ace, which is equal to K. Then K is called conjugate subgroup, and we can say K is conjugate to Ace. Okay? Are you getting what is the conjugate subgroup? Okay. Let's see one example. Q8. We all of us know this is quaternion group of order 8. Let's consider one subgroup Ace, cyclic subgroup generated by I, which contains the element 1 minus 1 I minus I. We all of us know J be the member of Q8. So fix J. Now what will be J is J inverse? J is J inverse will be J is J inverse such that Ace be the member of capital Ace, which is equal to J1 J inverse, J minus 1 J inverse, J I J inverse, J minus 1 I J inverse, and the value will be 1 minus 1 minus I, and which is equal to K, and K is nothing, K is only this Ace. So here K is self conjugate. Okay? Well, another definition of normal subgroup is for all G in G, if you take conjugate of capital Ace, then G is G inverse be the another subgroup of G, because this is closed under multiplication. If you take two elements, G is G inverse times G is dashed G inverse, which is equal to, cancel this, G is dashed G inverse. Okay? And a normal subgroup, a subgroup is normal when G is G inverse will be Ace. Are you getting? Well, that means when the conjugate subgroup are itself, then this subgroup will be normal subgroup. You might say the normal subgroup are closed under conjugation by all G in G. Okay? Well, there exists a nice fact. If G is abelian group, then every subgroup of G is normal. A subgroup Ace is normal if there exists Ace in capital Ace and G in capital G, such that G is G inverse be the member of capital Ace. Now, G is G inverse. Since the group is abelian, we can interchange it. Therefore, it will be G inverse Ace, and which is nothing but Ace, who is member of the subgroup Ace. So, if the group is abelian, then the subgroup must be normal. Okay? And there exists another nice fact. I have seen if a subgroup is normal, then both right coset and left coset are equal. But this means for each G in G, if we pick an element Ace from the subgroup Ace, then G is equal to Ace dash G for some Ace dash be the member of Ace. But note, Ace is not necessarily Ace dash, but it is true if the group is abelian. When the group will be abelian, then GH and H dash G, H and H dash will be same. But when the group is not abelian, then GH and H dash G equal, but H is not necessarily H dash. And this is very important thing. But the element of the sets are same. Okay? Well, as for example, A3 is a normal subgroup of S3, where S3 is non-abelian group. S3 contains this cycle we all of us know, and A3 be the set of all even permutation. And we have seen any group AN generates by 3 cycles. Then A3 contains these elements. It is the even permutation. We have to show left coset and right coset are both equal. If I take an element 1, 2 from S3, then the 1, 2 multiply with the set A3, 1, 2, 1, 2 with identity will be 1, 2, 1, 2 times 1, 2, 3, who is then the value will be, after multiplying, we all of us know how it will be done. Then the value will be, check it, 2, 3. And 1, 2 times 1, 3, 2 will be 1, 3. Okay? But notice, A3 with 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2 will be the value 1, 3. 1, 3, 2 with 1, 2, the value will be 2, 3. And here the notice, the set of elements in left coset and right coset both are equal. 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. Here also 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Set of elements are equal. But notice, 1, 2 with the multiply with the cycle 1, 2, 3. Then the value will be 2, 3. And here the value 1, 3. This value not equal. That means set of elements are same. But here the value is not key point. Key point is coset must be equal. Okay? I have told if a group is abelian, then every subgroup is normal. But it is not necessary when the group is non-abelian. S3 is non-abelian group, and I have seen A3 is the normal subgroup of S3. Now look, another subgroup. The cyclic subgroup generated by the cycle 1, 2. And this is not normal subgroup of S3. Let's look. What is the cyclic subgroup generated by 1, 2? This is nothing. This is just identity and 1, 2. Because if you check the cycle 1, 2 whole square, then it will be identity. So this is just contain identity and the cycle 1, 2. Now multiply one element 1, 3 with the cyclic subgroup generated by 1, 2. Then the value will be 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay? And if you check 2, 3 with the cyclic subgroup generated by 1, 2, then the value will be 2, 3 and 1, 3, 2. Okay? Now multiply 1, 3 with this subgroup right side. Then this value will be 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. And this value are not same. This value is equal to this coset. Here the right coset and left coset are not equal. Okay? Alright. In any group, identity and the group itself always will be normal subgroup. Why identity always will be normal subgroup? Because here the right quotient and left quotient always will be same. Because A times identity equal to identity times A equal to identity always normal, always same. So identity always will be normal subgroup of any group. Similarly, group itself always will be normal subgroup of any group. Okay? Alright. Let's see new example of normal subgroup. What will be the normal subgroup of the quaternion group Q8? We all of us know this group is of order 8 with the element contents 1, minus 1, I, minus y, j, minus j, k, minus k. With the condition I square equal to j square equal to k square equal to minus 1 and ij equal to k and ji equal to k. We also, all of us know this group is non-abelian group. What will be the normal subgroup of this group? I have seen A is be the cyclic subgroup generated by I and the conjugate subgroup of this group is itself. So Ace is normal subgroup here. I have done few minutes ago. Similarly, the cyclic subgroup J, which contains 1, minus 1, j, minus j. The conjugate subgroup of this subgroup is itself. So this is also normal subgroup. Similarly, cyclic subgroup generated by K, check it on self. Similarly, the cyclic subgroup generated by 1 equal to identity, and we all of us know identity always will be normal subgroup for any group. And cyclic subgroup generated by minus 1, if you check the conjugate subgroup, then it will be own self. Cyclic subgroup generated by minus 1, the conjugate subgroup is itself. It is also self conjugate. So this is also normal subgroup and the group itself be the normal subgroup. This is very interesting example. This group is non-abelian group, but every subgroup of this group is normal. And this is very important for any competitive exam. See other important example. What will be the normal subgroup of Zn? Since Zn is a cyclic group, that implies Zn is abelian. And we all of us know every subgroup of an abelian group always will be normal. So every subgroup of Zn will be normal subgroup. Okay? And how like this subgroup? Just remember finite cyclic group theorem. If D divide N, then the subgroup is look like the cyclic subgroup generated by N over D. This is the subgroup of Zn. We all of us know. Since Zn is cyclic, so this subgroup also will be the normal subgroup. This is very important. Okay. Now I will discuss a nice property, conjugacy class. Recall the conjugate subgroup. Now I will explain conjugacy class. At first I will see what is the conjugate element of group. Let G and A be any two element of this group G, and they are conjugate to each other. If there exists an element A in G such that A is equal to A inverse GA, then I can say G is conjugate to A. Okay, this is the conjugate element. Now there exists a nice proposition. Conjugate elements always have the same order. Now consider order of G equal to K. Now what will be H to the power K? H to the power K will be A inverse GA to the power K, which is equal to A inverse GA, times A inverse GA times A inverse GA up to K times. By associative law, we can cancel A with A inverse. Then I will get A inverse G to the power K times A. And since G to the power K equal to identity, then this is equal to A inverse A, which is equal to identity. That means A is to the power K equal to identity. So order of A is also same. G and A is both has order K. Okay? Well, there is a nice proposition. Conjugacy is an equivalent relation. This satisfies the property reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. So, conjugacy always an equivalent relation. This is the reflexive condition, this is symmetric, this is transitive. Are you getting? Okay. And since conjugacy is an equivalent relation, that means it partitions the group into equivalent classes, and this is the conjugacy classes. Okay, let's see the picture. This is the group G. Let G be an element of this group. Let denote the set of all conjugate of G in G by class of G. We call it conjugacy class or conjugate class of G in G. Okay, and conjugacy class of G in G equal to A inverse GA, where A in G, and this is the set. This set contains all conjugacy class of G. Let A's be other different element of this group G, and this be a subset which contains all conjugacy class of A's similarly other, and these all partition the whole group G. Are you getting? Well, now we all of us know the center of a group. Center of a group is the set which commutes whole element of the group. Okay, this is the center of a group, we all of us know. And the conjugacy class of center of a group of an element is itself, and this is the if and only condition. If conjugacy class of an element of the group is itself, that means this element belongs to center of a group. Also, any member who belongs to center of a group, that means conjugacy class of this element must be itself. Okay, now let's see the proof. Suppose X is its conjugacy class, that means conjugacy class of X itself X. Then every conjugate of X equal to X. We all of us know. That imply Gx equal to Xg for all G in G. That imply X be the member of the group ZG. Since this is if and only condition, so I have used this arrow. Okay, this is very easy. Well, and the class equation, the formula is for any finite set, the order of the group G, that means size of the group equal to size of center of a group and the size of all conjugacy classes whose order greater than 1. Okay. Now there exists a question. If G is an abelian group, what will be conjugacy class of any element of this group? Very interesting. We all of us know in abelian group Zg equal to whole group. Also, we all of us know in Zg, conjugacy class of any element is only this element itself. Okay? Now let's consider Z5. This is the cyclic group, and cyclic group always abelian. Therefore, what will be the conjugacy class 0? This is only 0 itself. Similarly, conjugacy class of 1 only 1 itself. Conjugacy class of 2 only 2 itself. Conjugacy class of 3 and 3 itself, and conjugacy class of 4 equal to 4 itself. So the number of conjugacy class in Z4 is 5. That means total number of conjugacy class in Zm is nothing but only the element. How many element contains the group Zm? This is the conjugacy class. So here only M element contains. So the number of conjugacy class in Zm is M. Okay. Now let's see the conjugacy class in the symmetric group Sn. Same cycle type means their length are same, and the two elements in Sn, the two element GAs in Sn are conjugate if and only they have the same cycle type. That means when the cycle type are same, then they are both conjugate. Consider an example. Consider the following permutation G equal to S6. Now consider G equal to 1, 2. Here 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. G equal to this transposition. S equal to 2, 3 this transposition, and R equal to the rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since G and S have the same cycle type, so they are conjugate. How? Let's consider. This is R, this is R inverse, and this is G. Here S, which is equal to G. So G, S are conjugate. Here the cycle time same. Also R is R inverse equal to G. So they are both conjugate. Okay? Well, there exists a nice fact of normal subgroup. If N be the normal subgroup of the group G, then N contains conjugacy class of each of its element. Okay? Let N be the normal subgroup of the group G, and consider G be any arbitrary element of the normal subgroup N. Then multiply both sides, right side by A and left side by A inverse. Then I will get okay, and this is nothing, this is equal to S, and since S is a normal subgroup, since N is a normal subgroup, then this is equal to, for the normal subgroup, N. That means A is belongs to N. Then our proof has done. Conjugacy class of each element belongs to the normal subgroup N, and this condition is if and only if condition. If N be the normal subgroup of the group G, then N contains all conjugacy class of each of its element. Also, if N contains all conjugacy class of each of its element, then N must be normal subgroup. That means this condition is if and only if condition. That means here it is applied for this. Okay, this is the symbol. Let's see one example. In S3, consider the subgroup A is equal to identity and 1, 2. The cycle 1, 2 be a subgroup of S3. We all of us know. Then what will be the conjugacy class of 1, 2? We all of us know this is the same cycle type. So conjugacy class of 1, 2 will be 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Which does not belongs to the subgroup Ace. So Ace cannot be normal subgroup. Are you getting? Well.